Hi guys, if you're wondering what website builder to choose to build your first website really fast, easy, and without an extra efforts, I have a solution. I want to recommend it to you, and I want to show you how it works from inside and how can you build a website really fast and without an extra efforts. This platform called Site123, and this is really 1, 2, 3, and your page is ready to go. This tool is absolutely fantastic. It's drag and drop. It's absolutely easy to use, and I want to show you how to use it. So all the useful links, of course, you can find in the description panel of this video. Make sure to check it out. You have tons of interesting and fantastic templates that are pre-built, that are ready to go. You just need to grab them, customize them a little bit for your purposes, and that's it. You have ready to go website. A little bit about the features before we're gonna start to make a website. There's intuitive website editor that is no coding required. No coding. If you don't know how to code, if you know nothing about how to build a website, this is your choice, definitely, because this is the simplest website builder on the field. It's mobile friendly. All the web designs that build inside of this platform are mobile responsive, and you don't need to build a website, separate website for mobile version. There's a free hosting. There are SEO tools that will give you optimization for search engines. There are custom domains, and you can even build online shop, online store inside of this platform. So let's jump inside, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So we're ready to go. When you're going to be inside, you need to press create new website, create a website, and the system will ask you what kind of a website do you want to build. For example, you need a CV and portfolio, and it's going to be some kind of John. Open a website. System is uploading, and there's a small tutorial here on the start, but we're going to skip it and start your website from scratch. For example, I don't like this template. I can choose from a template, all templates, call to action, menu, side, bottom menu, so on. And there are a lot of templates that are ready to go. Maybe it's going to be the barbershop or so on. Let it be like that. I'm your freelancer. All right, web developer, and so on. We need to change the background. Okay, no, let's start from the start. Pages, there's a list of available pages on this layout. You can add new page, category, or external link. This is in a pro. Add a new page. Here you have all the frequently used templates that you can grab and add to your layout. Okay, percentage, press, feed, Twitter tweets, press, and social charts. Maybe you need some gallery here. I like this gallery without the margins. And your gallery is down there, but I need it to be like higher. I'm just grabbing it and put it to the spot where I want it to be. And there's a gallery here also. Let's scroll a little bit. We have header. We can edit a structure of a header. We can edit a header itself to understand, do we show phone numbers or not, show email, social networks. You can edit all your links to add here, and that's going to be available here, and it's going to be clickable here. Also, you can edit the logo. You can put a name here, and you can choose a logo from if you do have logo, or you can use the logo maker to create your own straight inside of a platform. You don't need to use external applications or somehow like that. Also, you have all the settings. You can choose how your background will look, all those stuff, opacity, and parallax effect. When you're gonna scroll, the picture will stay there. Let it be like that. Now we can double click on the text to choose what to make with the text. Okay, what to make with it. Shadows. Okay, let it be with the shadows, and so on. You need to customize it as you want, the position of the text, and so on. Animate, slide up, slide down, zoom, for example, and so on. You can make it all from one spot. So guys, you can add the same pages from the plus button, or with this pages button here. Design, colors. For example, you don't like the color scheme of the website. You can change all the things just in one click. And it's all the small things there, all the small things, everything is changing. Design fonts. For example, we need to change fonts, and you can make that happen just in one click. And this is also really cool because we have the same site, but it's already the other side, the other color scheme, the other things, and so on. Gallery. Also, you can, of course, you can remove the sections if you don't want them to be there. And here you go. Header, footer, so on. You just need to hover around this this tool to understand what do you need to customize, how it is, how it's done. So in the settings, website name, website type, country, local, and so on, and domain. One of the my favorite stuff, domain. All the available domains are here, and you can set up your own domain straight from one spot. Also, if you need some pictures here, freelance. Okay, let's use this picture, and here you go. Here you go. Just tons of perfect pictures, free, available for you to launch your website. If you don't even need to make pictures, everything is inside of this platform, and this is cool. I think that this is cool, and your site, your website, can be done literally in just couple minutes. All the settings you can find here. All the stuff can be changed. All the things you can edit, all those things here. You can add some pictures. You can crop it straight from here, and so on. And guys, I like this tool. This tool is so easy to use that you can launch your first website literally in minutes. So make sure to check it out. All the useful links are on this video in the description panel. All these websites are mobile responsive, and you'll be really happy to use this tool. I'm sure about that. Thank you a lot. Hope this was useful. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. All the useful links are under this video in the description panel. Make sure to check it out because this is huge. Thanks. Bye-bye, and see you in the next video.